I mean, that's not practical in the real world, but hey.
No, I've never fit nothing like that, but if it can happen,
it could be done, huh?
Yeah.
Now, the ultimate test, the ultimate reason why would you want to buy a clamp, you need to grab something and put a lot of pressure on it. These are good clamps. Actually, they were the best there was because there wasn't anything else. So I'll get this down to about 50 on that scale, which is 100 pounds. And that gives me a starting point. Because I'm going to rotate this one revolution. About where it was. I can get a little bit. So I got almost 400 pounds. It's respectable. There's nothing wrong with that. When I'm starting to stretch, I'm starting to kick back. You see how that's coming up? Give me another roll on that. So I'm at 700 pounds. Pretty good. But it's if I didn't have that little cup welded there, it would have already come off. I know it. So here's the real benefit. So I start at that same 50, which is 100 pounds. That's kilograms. Right. All right, here we go. Back to that position right there. So at 860 pounds, one rotation. About 702. I can go ahead and get me another rotation. I'm at 1,600 pounds. I ain't stretching. Nice pivot handle. Yeah, get it where you want it. And then I can work that thing around. I've been using this clamp for about 4 months. What it does is it bites into that bar with these teeth right here. It also doesn't do that. Got a spring system in there. Holds it in that position. So cross hatch, spring lock, gear tube, mechanical threads, and the advantage of the machine thread.